how to customize AirPlay and Continuity settings on your iPhone. If you want to change how your iPhone connects with nearby Apple devices, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap General. Now, tap AirPlay and Continuity. Here, you can customize several settings. Tap Automatically AirPlay and choose whether you want AirPlay to work automatically, ask, or never when connecting to compatible devices. Next, tap Transfer to HomePod to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, you can bring your iPhone close to a HomePod to transfer audio instantly. If available, you can also manage Handoff by turning it on or off. Handoff lets you start a task on one Apple device and continue it on another signed in with the same Apple ID. After making your changes, simply exit the Settings app. Your preferences will be saved automatically. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.